Stop the ghosting once and for all. All you have to do is this. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today we are soaring high. Like a big, beautiful eagle, we're always flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. That's what this channel is about, to keep you soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, to make your life the best it can possibly be, using the law of vibration, the law of attraction, the law of assumption, and the latest in mind sciences. So be sure and subscribe and remember to click that bell icon. So, high flyers, want to remind you to be sure and claim your 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy success coaching. Why not find out what a mentoring program can mean for your life? The money you desire, the love you crave, the health and happiness you depend on and deserve. You've got everything to gain, nothing to lose. So, visit us at lawofattractionsolutions.com. So, have you been talking with someone, or are you in a relationship and they're no longer calling you or texting you or giving you the attention that they used to give? And then when you call them, sometimes they don't call you back. That's called ghosting. And you can stop the ghosting once and for all. Unfortunately, when people start ghosting you, they may go days, weeks, months, even years without calling you or texting you. They have literally put up a wall between you and them. And even worse, when you text them or you call them, they don't even take the time or have the courtesy to return your call or your text message. You don't like being ghosted. No one does. So, why do people ghost you? Many times you've sent out a signal to them invisibly, or through your behavior, or through your vibration, that you're always there. If they don't talk to you now, they'll talk to you later because you're always going to be there. You always respond when they do text. You're always available. You're too available. You're too common. You have failed to make yourself rare. And when you choose to make yourself rare, then you become valuable. Then you increase your value and you increase the likelihood that they will not ghost you. So they feel no sense of yearning or desire, no sense of self worth on your part. And so they feel it's appropriate, even acceptable, to ghost you. Stick with this video and you'll learn the secret is to allow them to chase you, to come after you with more texting, with more calling, and more desire to be with you and spend time with you. Can you relate to this? I mean, the more that you crave them, the more that you crave them texting you, the more that you want them to text you, the more that you wait for them to text you, the less likely they are to text you or call you or contact you. The more likely they are to ghost you. When someone's ghosting you, it's important not to de-attract, which literally pushes them away and guarantees that you're going to receive more ghosting. And how do we de-attract? We de-attract by waiting and worrying and wanting and feel fearful and feel anxiety. That's how we de-attract. And when we feel that vibration, guess what? We're inviting them to ghost us. So if you're waiting and hoping and wishing for someone to ghost you, are you in an abundance mindset or are you in a lack mindset? Which one? Well, of course, you're in a lack mindset, a poverty mindset. And the more you engage in this self-defeating behavior and self-defeating thought process, the more likely you are to be ghosted. So if you really have a desire for the ghosting to stop and for there to be a clear, open channel of communication, you need to ask yourself, am I vibrating at the frequency of fear, or am I vibrating at the frequency of love? Think about it. If you're vibrating at the frequency of fear, the more you fear, the more they ghost. The more they ghost, the more you fear. And it's a vicious cycle that goes on and on and on. Your vibration literally repels them. The key is to invert the energy, to kind of do energy or vibrational judo and change the energy. And I'm going to show you how right now. When you wake up in the morning, do your morning routine, whatever it is. If it includes exercise or scripting or some time with gratitude, go about doing it. And then, some point in your morning routine, make a clear, concise intention. My intention is to receive a text from such and such, or my intention is to have clear communication with so and so. And make it clear, make it concise. It doesn't have to be long, it doesn't have to be elaborate. Next, close your eyes and visualize just for a moment or two. I like about 2 minutes of visualizing that they are texting you. Maybe they're writing you an email. Maybe they're even stopping by your home. But something, this is important, something has changed and they're no longer ghosting you. They have a desire to communicate with you, to exchange ideas with you, to exchange feelings with you, to exchange energy with you. So once you've set that intention, you want to see it clearly in your mind, see what it looks like. You want to feel what it feels like in your heart. Oh, it feels good. I got that text message or I got that email. We have a line of communication going now, and you want to feel it. You want to feel gratitude for it. I'm grateful for the text. I'm grateful for the email. I'm grateful for the communication. And then you want to let it go and let the energy flow. Here's what you don't want to do. You don't want to ask when it's happening. When will they text? How soon is it going to happen? You do not text me or call. What's going on? You don't start driving by their house to check up on them. You don't check their social media to try to figure out what they're doing or what they're up to. What do? You involve yourself and envelop yourself in unconditional love for you, for you, for you. You love yourself and you feel this unconditional love and you share it wherever you're at with whomever you're with. At the very instant that you move out of this love vibration for yourself, at the very moment that you step back out of it and into that scarcity mindset where you start asking, when are they going to text me? When am I going to receive a phone call? When are they going to email? When am I going to hear from them? When is the ghosting going to stop? The moment you do that, you are back into scarcity mindset and you are back into attracting or de-attracting. Bottom line, when you step out of that self-love vibration, that happiness, that joy vibration of being alive, of being filled with gratitude, of being filled with happiness. When you step out of that mindset, guess what happens? The ghosting continues. Now, this is easier than you think. I call it name it and claim it. Name your intention in the morning, state it aloud, or write it down. Feel it in your heart, in your soul. Fill yourself with love and then allow it to come to you. Very easy. And I know you can do it. So now what do you do throughout the day? Let's go back and review. You focus your day, every aspect of your day, on abundance. Abundance in love, abundance in family love, abundance in friendship, abundance at work, abundance in money, abundance in health, abundance in every area of your life. And the more you focus on abundance and love and happiness and joy, the sooner they will want that energy. They will feel that energy. They will crave that energy, and the ghosting will stop. And what are you focusing on the whole day long, all day long, on and off? Gratitude. Some people have gratitude journals. I love that. Some people have gratitude meditations. I love that too. But I like gratitude flowing in and out of my life all day long. Soon, without worrying, without fearing, without wondering, without doubting, without feeling anxiety, the ghosting will stop because you are in a new place. You are valuable. You are worth it. Either way, you're going to be living a life of trust, abundance, joy, yes, and gratitude. Now, I want to remind you to get your 7 days free of Miracle Hypnosis Online.com. That's right, it's 7 days absolutely free. Try out all the programs. There is a plethora of programs there designed to help you manifest anything you can think of. And if there isn't a program there, let us know. We'll create something special just for you. But you can try it out for 7 days absolutely free at miraclehypnosisonline.com. Now, if you really want to get someone to text you and text you fast, watch this next video.